First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution net. Bonus shot. Napalakas. Number 12 setting the play. 15 to shoot. Pinasa jersey number 4 for the long time. Wala. Number 02, rather. Connect for 2 points by number 0. Number 12, setting the play, looking for his teammates. Binigay jersey number 4 for the parking lot. Traveling violation. Number 0, binigay kay Apostol. 15 to shoot. Two minutes and 52 seconds. And to shoot. Using the ball, connect for the points by number 7. Jersey number 4 to win. Apostol. My foul on jersey number 13. First personal foul, jersey number 13. Second personal foul, rather. Second, team foul. May reserve time tayo. Reserve time. First shot, connect. Last throw. 41. Connect. MIC. All of a sudden, 1 minute and 47 seconds. Official score, 14-10. This time out is brought to us by New Star Clinic. 14-10. Apat lang po malamangan. Okay, back to the ball game. 1 minute and MIC ball. Number 14. Same ball. 16 to shoot. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Ganda ng pick and roll ni Apostol. Wala. Apostol again. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number. Save the goal, correct? Last 52 seconds. Number 0. Connect for 2 points. Last 42 seconds. Number 2. Number 2.
Double.
Pinasa number 41. Connect for 2 points by Apostol. Last 22 seconds. Number 04. Last 12 seconds. Apostol, up and away. Score, number 0. Wala, number 0.
Puta.
And
Umabot yun.
of the first quarter.
Abot yun.
Pisa score, 22-10. 22-10. Okay, back to the ball game for the second quarter. Second five now. Number 23 for the parking lot for the win. Bumaway sila sa akin. Number 10. Bigay number 22. Number 10. Bigay just number 23. 7 to shoot. Wala, nasayang na rebound. Siya ang magtitinong. The main man. The main man. Number 12, up and away. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 12. Number 15, binigay kay J-Pax. Basket count by Apostol. Foul on jersey number 23. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Bonus shots by Apostol. Bonus shot, in and out. Nice defense by Apostol. Apostol. Binigay kay jersey number 15. Binale, wala. Number 12. Nasa unahan na naman. Binigay kay jersey number 10 by foul. Foul on jersey number 7. Number 10. First throw in and out. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Ready jumper. In and out. Same ball tayo. 14 to shoot. Number 4 for the parking lot. lot. Wala. Naka-jersey number 10. Using the board. Wala. Apostol on the rebound. Binigay kay jersey number 18. Ganda ng pasa kay number 15. Wala. Number 4 on the rebound. Number 15. May foul. Foul on jersey number 4. Penalty. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Penalty. Last 55 seconds. Last 55 seconds. Timeout. MIC. This timeout is brought to us by Rubisco. Jersey number 10, first personal foul, second team foul. Second throw, wala. Same ball. Number 12 for the parking lot, wala. Now jersey number 10, binigay number 0. Number 0, a popping away. Connect for 2 points by number 0. Apostol, connect for 2 points. Apostol, connect for 2 points by Apostol.
Red ball. Bilis ah.
Number 4 for the parking lot, wala. Rebound ni Pinlock. Binigay kay number 0. Apostol, connect for 2 points. Number 4 for the parking lot. Wala. Connect for 2 points, guys. Tama.